Welcome back. We're the country callers. I'm Jackson, and this is my dad.
Jeff. Today we're going to talk about the 12-person cabin Ozark Trail tent that we bought for when we get our land, something we're going to stay in for the first month or so until we get bigger and better accommodations. This is the Ozark Trail 12-person cabin tent with the convertible screening room. This is the bag. We're going to set it up and show you what it looks like fully set up. One-person job, huh?
It might be a two-person. Oh my. I forgot how big this thing was.
Yes. You get it?
Yeah.
We packed it away in a rush, so it happens.
Yeah. Was it?
All right, we're just going to unfold it now. Everybody, welcome Jackson's mom, Tina. She's a little camera shy.
Hello, everyone. Nice to meet you.
She's coming to help.
You're stretching out that way, Jeff. Yep.
And we got to go this way.
Pull it. Wait. All right. You know what? We're going to have to turn it.
Which way you want to turn?
Grab that
Grab
end
your end, buddy.
and walk towards your mom. Nope, walk towards your mom.
Right here.
All right. Pull it that way. Pull it that way. Yep.
All right, here's the main post.
These are the posts that go on the outside.
That's a video one.
This is an inside post.
Can you help, Mom?
Nope, that's an outside post.
What the heck is an outside post?
They go on the outside. You'll see. We're showing everybody. You'll learn just like they're learning.
Yep. Gotta learn as we go, buddy, okay? And outside.
Trishy's our tentologist.
Yes, she is. Do you know how many times I put this tent up?
Go back here.
Lots. Lots and lots. All right.
Oh,
Now these ones are going to be the posts
To go through the middle.
that hold up the tent itself. Okay.
thank
So we're going to put these ones.
Lay these down back here. Watch out.
We're going to put these ones in first because of how long they are. But right now we're just going to lay them down across. That one
Put your
goes there.
Your piece came out here, Trish.
How many of these we have?
No.
And they
I know
pretty
what I'm
much
doing.
just go together. They
That's
clip
on your
together.
face, buddy.
Yeah, it's nice.
you.
It just,
I know what I'm doing.
like I said, I've put this thing together so many times.
They go crisscross, one in each corner.
I don't even
From corner
need
to corner.
instructions to it anymore. Watch, that's going to hit you. And then this one of these, wait. Why is this one here?
That one goes in the middle.
This one, yeah, this is the
That's
middle
the middle
piece.
one piece.
Yep.
Holds up the dome.
So we're put this over here. Yep. So, all right. So with these, let me find the center strap. Okay. So with these,
You're gonna put the main pieces in first, or you're gonna put those in first?
Hold on. Trying to. Okay, so these ones. All right, so this. All right. Take that back that way. Yep. All right, stop.
Go ahead, Jack. Get on there. You don't got your shoes on. Take your shoes off and walk on there. Lift that up, Patricia. That end right there, right where you're standing. Stop. No, over here. Where the pole's at, Jack. Never mind. The pole that she's putting in, Bubba.
Grab that. Don't pull it.
Just hold it right
hold
there.
It. Hold it up. Yep. Good job. Don't hold this piece. Just
yeah, right there.
It. Yeah.
There you go. Good job.
Walk forward, Tina. Jackson, back up. All right, stop. Oh, wait. Back up a second, Tina.
Yeah, I want you to pick this piece up here. She got Jack. Come here. Come here.
You're going to have to move that piece.
Stop. Grab that bar.
Grab this. Take it over that way. Take it over that way.
Come on, this way.
All right. So lay that piece down. And then
here's your other piece. Goes this way.
Yep. So Tina, stand. Over here? No, come over here.
Too many people in too many places. We had to get out of the way.
Yep, keep pushing it.
So far, guys.
Oh yeah. She's our tenologist. Okay. I mean, I'm good at putting tents together too, but I'll let her do it.
All right. So this goes in here. And then pull that out a little bit.
Bugs are bad tonight, guys.
All right, go ahead and push it through. All right, now you'll have these pieces that look like this. Yeah. The red cap end. Shove that. Oh, wait, no, not the red cap. My bad. The other way.
The red cap goes on the bottom, doesn't it?
Yeah. Twist it and shove it in the bottom. Yep. All right, in there. Yep, just pull it. You're not going to rip it. Okay, push it up towards Jeff. Yep. Oh, sorry. This piece will go in like that. All right. Okay. No, yeah.
1 minute. Till we get the last one on, Bubba. Yeah.
What did I do wrong?
No, you're good. Keep pushing.
It's not.
Do you need help?
Letting me.
Yeah.
It's not letting me. It's gonna break if I.
No.
Hold on.
It's stuck in there is what the problem is. It's not sliding.
Okay, hold on. Stop. Push it. Oh no! It. Hold on. It came apart.
Oh. Can you get it?
Yeah. Give me 1 second. All right. Push it back up. Got it?
Yep. All right. Hit the button.
All right. I need you.
Oh, my bad.
You're okay.
I got to stretch it out.
And then.
Does that one get one or no?
Yeah, okay. There's two. Okay, Jack, you can let it go. Grab me.
Grab those two bars.
You guys can put that one back here. Give me.
Don't take the tape off of it.
Give me one of those. Give me that. Thank you.
See, it has the red tape on it. It goes with the red.
Oh, yeah.
Bush you. Can you grab that cap down there for me?
Yeah. That's where we're sleeping tonight.
There you go. It's up and at 'em.
That's crazy.
In 2 seconds here, we'll take you for a view on the inside.
All right, so this is fully set up. You see it's got a big screen on the outside.
We got some
This is
window.
like considered like a screen room.
And then
It divides, I mean, you guys can see it divides into 2 different rooms, but
we got a window right here, so just in case you want to look out the windows.
And the screen zip up the whole way.
yeah, well,
Yeah, then you got another window here. Then
it's got 2 doors.
you walk in here.
This is the one room.
Don't mind the inside, it's a little bit dirty.
It's also got a rain guard, but we're not going to put the rain guard on it. This is the one room. And then you come over here, and this is what they consider like the screen room. And then this is the divider.
Unzip this.
And then you can unzip it.
And walk through.
And you can put these up and make it one great big tent. And Jack, go over to the other side. All the way to the edge. It's a 12-person tent.
And also over here, we have a little pocket.
Yeah, it gives you a pocket to put like your cell phones and stuff in. It also has an opening over here for electrical. It's got a door that can be closed.
Then you have another pocket over here.
And then there's another pocket over here. And then it has these screens that you can zip up to make it completely
So like when you
so nobody can see in them.
or like when you go to bed.
For privacy, you can hook them up here as well,
And then also over
so
here.
that they can,
Also over here we got windows you can zip up.
the windows in here zip up.
The doors zip up.
All the doors zip up, and like I said, we have a rain guard for it, but we're not going to put the rain guard on it. This was just to set it up to show you guys how big and how easy it is to set it up.
What do you say, Jackson?
Peace out, have a nice night.
Peace out and have a nice night. Those are the words of Jackson. You've heard it here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and come back because we got another video coming out right after this one. So we're going to have some back-to-back videos. Make sure you guys come and take a look at them and tell us what you think. Leave some comments down below, what we could do better, we could do worse. Tell them peace out, Jackson.
Alright.
Tell them again, peace out.
Peace out.